Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Debby Sugiarti. I'm from S6B class. I want to read articles to complete my English proficiency assignment. World Oceans Day. World Oceans Day is a day to think about the extremely important role that the oceans play in all our life, the dangers that are facing our oceans, and the actions we can take to protect them. Before reading, do the preparation text first, then read the article and do the exercise. Preparation text: match the definitions A to H with the vocabulary 1 to 8. Vocabulary number 1. The answer is C. To accept that something exists, to officially recognize. Number 2. The answer is F. An organized event to collect rubbish, especially plastic waste. A clean up. Number 3. The answer is B. Protections of the natural environment, conservation. Number 4. The answer is A. Plants and animals that live in the oceans, marine life. Number 5. The answer is G. The smallest living animals, single cells organisms. And number 6. The answer is D. The bigger part of something's majority. Number 7. The answer is A. A natural gas which is essential to life, oxygen. And the last, number 8. The answer is H. The fact that weather patterns are changing around the world. Climate change. World Oceans Day. There is only one global ocean. This is divided into the 5 geographical regions: the Pacific Oceans, the Atlantic Oceans, the Indian Oceans, the Arctic Oceans, and the Southern Oceans. Introduction: 70% of our planet is covered by one huge, continuous body of seawater, the oceans. It holds 135 billion cubic kilometers of water. Nearly half of the ocean is more than 3 kilometers deep. The deepest known point of the ocean is in the Mariana Trench, 11 kilometers below sea level. But there might be deeper points that we have not seen, as we have now explored 5% of the ocean to date. World Oceans Day. The government of Canada suggests the idea of the World Oceans Day at the Earth Summit in Rio de Janeiro in 1992. In 2008, the United Nations officially recognized the date, and it has been growing ever since. From 100 events in 2008 to over 1,000 events in more than 100 120 countries 10 years later. The day is celebrated in a variety of ways, including special events at aquariums and zoos, beach and the river cleans up, school activity, conservation programs, art contests, and the film festival. The importance of our oceans. One of the main aims of the day is to remind people of the important role the ocean plays in our life. Life began in the oceans, and the ocean is home to the majority of plants and animals on Earth. From single-cell organisms to the blue whale, marine plants provide us with 70% of the oxygen we breathe. The oceans controls the climate, providing heat in the winter and cool air in the summer. It also provides us with the food and medicine as well as transport. No matter where you live on the planet, no matter how far from the sea, your life is depend on the ocean. The problems facing our oceans. The most urgent problem facing the oceans at the moment is plastic pollution. Recording of used plastic, including plastic bags and plastic bottles, has been an important theme for World Oceans Day for a number of years. Climate change and rising sea temperatures are also huge problems. Rising sea temperatures have a direct influence of weather patterns and are seen as partly responsible for an increase in extreme weather conditions. An increase in carbon dioxide is increasing the acid levels of seawaters and putting many marine organisms at risk. What we can do to help? On World Oceans Day, wear blue. Go on a march, find a beach or river clean up near you. Organize a local event, print a poster and put into your window. Or use hashtag World Oceans Day on social media. There are so many things you can do on iTunes to join in the celebrations to remind people about the importance of the ocean in our life to make a difference. Text 1. Are the stances true or false? Number 1. The ocean is 3 kilometers deep. The answer is false. Number 2. World Oceans Day was the first August more than 25 years ago. The answer is false. Number 3. More animals and plants live under the sea than live on land. The answer is true. Number 4. Plastic pollution is a new theme for the World Oceans Day this year. The answer is true. Number 5. The temperature of the ocean is getting warmer. The answer is true. And the last, people generally wear green on the World Ocean Day. The answer is false. Text 2. Match the subject A to F to the number they refer to 1 to 6. There is numbers and subjects. Number 1. The answer is C. The amount of oxygen we get from the sea is 70%. Number 2. The answer is B. The deepest known point of the oceans is 11 kilometers. Number 3. The answer is D. The percentage of the oceans that has been explored 5%. Number 4. The answer is F. The number of countries that took part in the recent of Ocean Days is 120. Number 5. The answer is I. The number of times we use a plastic bag or plastic bottle is 1. And the last, number 6. The answer is A. The date when we celebrate the Ocean Days is 8. Discussions. What role does the ocean play in your life? Because the life began in the oceans and the ocean is home to the majority of plants and animals on earth. What would you prefer to do celebrate World Ocean Days? Wear blue, go on a march, find a beach or river, clean up, organize a local event, print a poster and put in my window, or use the hashtag World Ocean Day on my social media, and so many things we can do to celebrate World Ocean Days. Okay, that's enough. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih.